Revenge. Now, this is an ancient motive that has found a new arena in this new world. It's not just about causing inconvenience, it's about inflicting real harm, real loss, and humiliation as well. These attacks are personal, targeted, and they are driven by a desire to retaliate. Revenge in the cyber world can manifest as data destruction, doxing, sabotage, or defamation as well. The attackers might be former employees, they could be jilted ex-lovers, or it could be individuals who feel wronged by a company or by a public figure as well. Let's dig the history books and see what has happened in the past. Take for an example the 2014 Sony Pictures hack. The attackers, motivated by revenge against the company for the release of a controversial film, not only leaked sensitive emails and personal information of employees, but also wiped out massive amounts of data. The fallout was immense. This affected reputations, careers, and the company's bottom line. Let's take a look at another history chapter, the 2008 case where a disgruntled San Francisco city network engineer felt mistreated by his employees. He then logged access to critical network components. The disruption and the subsequent efforts to regain control costed the city millions. And this really highlights the damage a vengeful insider could inflict. Now, these acts of revenge are often fueled by intense emotions and a skewed sense of justice. They are unpredictable, and it makes them particularly dangerous. Understanding the psychological underpinnings can really help in predicting and preventing these kinds of attacks. Think of an individual who feels publicly humiliated by a corporation, and in retaliation, they launch a cyber attack, which can then lead to leaking confidential information, causing financial damage, reputational damage, far beyond what they might have intended. The collateral damage is extensive, isn't it? This affects not just the target, but also countless innocent parties. Alright, that's about revenge as a motivation. Remember that the importance of empathy, understand your colleagues, and create a culture of security awareness amongst employees is paramount, right? So the IT team, the security team must go for the robust security measures. And of course, creating a culture of respect and fair treatment always helps us prepare for the worst. Coming up next is disruption, or the motivation that leads to chaos. Thank you and stay tuned.